This video is for class 8, unit 1 rational numbers, session 5. Today we are going to discuss denseness property of rational numbers. Between any two distinct rational numbers, there exist infinitely many number of rational numbers. This is called the denseness property of rational numbers. If a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers such that a upon b less than c upon d, then 1 by 2 multiplied by a upon b plus c upon d is a rational number lying between a upon b and c upon d. It means we can find a rational number between two distinct rational number by taking the average of the two given rational numbers. Example, find a rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So to find a rational number between these two given rational numbers, just add these two rational numbers and divide by 2. Therefore, required rational number is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 7 upon 12 equal to 7 upon 24. So the required rational number is 7 upon 24. Now we have three methods for finding rational numbers between two distinct rational numbers. And the first two methods are for finding a few number of rational numbers, and the third method is for finding a large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. We will start with the first method. Let the given rational numbers be a and b such that a less than b. Then the first rational number q1 is equal to half of a plus b. Then second one q2 is equal to half of q1 plus b. q3 is equal to half of q2 plus b. And the fourth one q4 is equal to half of q3 plus b, and so on. Actually, this is the formula for finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers. In this manner, we can find as many rational numbers as we please between two given distinct rational numbers. This method can be used if we need to find only a few numbers of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now we can have an example. Find four rational numbers between 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 3. We are assuming the required rational numbers, four required rational numbers be q1, q2, q3 and q4. By applying the formula, we can see that the first required rational number q1 is equal to half of 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. Then the answer will be equal to 1 upon 4. Similarly, we can find q2 as 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3, which gives 7 upon 24. The same way, we can find q3 as 5 upon 16 and q4 as 31 upon 96. Hence, the four rational numbers between 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 3 are 1 upon 4, 7 upon 24, 5 upon 16, and 31 upon 96. Now, the second method, which is a shortcut method, an easy method for finding some rational numbers between two given rational numbers. If a upon b and c upon d are two distinct rational numbers, then a plus c upon b plus d is also a rational number lying between a upon b and c upon d. Therefore, a rational number lying between two distinct rational numbers is easily obtained on adding the numerators and denominators. Now we can see an example. Find three rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. For the first rational number, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 3. And for the second rational number, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2. Here, in the shortcut method, we know that we have to add the numerators and denominators separately. So the first rational number between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2 can be obtained by adding the numerators 1 and the denominators 3 and 2 separately. So rational number lying between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2 will be equal to 1 plus 1 the whole divided by 3 plus 2, which gives an answer 2 upon 5. Now same way we can find rational number between 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 5, then 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Therefore, three rational numbers lying between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2 are 2 upon 5, 3 upon 8 and 3 upon 7. This is an easy method. Now we can see the third method, and obviously this method will be good if we need to find a large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. This method is used when we need to find a large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. We can find the required rational numbers by finding the equivalent rational numbers having a sufficiently large common denominator depending on how many rational numbers we have to find. Now see one example. Find 7 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Here we need to find only 7 rational numbers, so we can apply the first two methods, but here we are going to see how we can apply the method 3. Here the denominators of the two given rational numbers are 3 and 2, and to make a common denominator we need to take LCM, as we know. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, but when we need to find many rational numbers, we have to take sufficiently large common denominator. So if we write 1 upon 3 as 30 upon 90 and 1 upon 2 as 45 upon 90, then 31, 32, so on 44 are 14 integers between 30 and 45. Here we are writing the denominator, we are taking the common denominator as 90, not 6, because 90 is also a common denominator, not the least one. Therefore, 30 upon 90 less than 31 upon 90 less than 32 upon 90, so on 45 upon 90. Or when we reduce 30 upon 90, we can write it as 1 upon 3, and same way 45 by 90 we can reduce as 1 upon 2. So therefore we can see that 31 upon 90, 32 upon 90, so on 44 upon 90 are 14 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. From this we can write the 7 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 by 2 as 31 upon 90, 32 upon 90, up to 37 up upon 90. We need to write only 7 rational number for this question. Now, if you want to find 29 rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2, we can take the common denominator as 180 instead of 90. Same way, we can find many rational numbers by taking sufficiently large common denominator. Now, homework. Unit 1 rational numbers, exercise 1D, recommended textbook, Mathematics Today by S. Chand Publications. Thank you.